Hey guys, here we are getting ready to stuff with this meat, your maker grinder. I said I'd shoot when we did the sausage. I almost forgot. I've done a couple of batches of sausage with this. We did about 40 pounds of bear sausage. We've done some pork sausages, and in this round we're doing another set of sausage. I almost started and forgot to take the knife out. So the knife is out. We're going to put on the coarse plate here. Notch on the bottom. Perfect. We got the tube, we got the adapter that sits in here. Middle tube, I already had a casing on. We was all ready to go, and my brain just isn't in it today, I guess. So we'll get this. We got 4 hands on this today. So once this is on there, when you stuff the sausages, you don't want the grinding blade. Okay, that's good. So the blade's off now. We're all ready to go. We got the meats twice ground, seasoned the way we wanted it, mixed up with the water. It's good and ready to go into there. We're going to do white kielbasas today. My son spent some time in Poland. This was his request, so this is exactly what we're making.
Staramy się gotować białe kiełbasy dzisiaj z moim ojcem i mam nadzieję, że będzie dobrze.
And with that, we're going to start. So I'll go ahead and kick it on. So he's helping me, he's going to feed, I'm just going to keep it tight. There's a million sausage stuffing videos out there. My point today is just to show that this thing is a do-it-all when it comes to the meat. It's so fast, it's blown me away. The other night we did 40 pounds of bear sausage, and I had ran through double grind spices ready to go before they had the first 5-pound batch even wrapped. What it did is, I guess my biggest complaint so far with it is it went so fast that I had to do the dishes while they were still wrapping meat. So not used to having to do that. I'm usually the last one done. But anyway, getting towards the end of this.
It's telling me when to stop.
Okay, go ahead and shut it off. Okay, so there's our first big old sausage. I'm gonna slick little bugger. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of that out just because I have a hard enough time tying the knots as it is. Give me a little more rope here. This is a hog casing. And there we have it. So, what size links do you like? You measure out.
They're usually about 6 inches long.
About that long?
Somewhere around there, yeah.
So we're going to wrap this. Everybody has a different video on how they make their links. Essentially, you go one way, bend it over, pinch here, go the other way, bend it over, pinch here. Goes this way. I know there's professional guys out there that are going to laugh at this. I'm not a professional sausage man, but at least I know what went in my meat. So this is a pork shoulder, seasoned up. Polish recipe my son got when he was over there. There we have our first batch. I think they're going to be wonderful. Alright, well, we'll let you go. That's a quick one. Say everybody stuffs differently. Some people use stuffers, some people use these, some people Use jerky tubes. This is what we got. I'm about as happy as I can be with this. You can actually grind meat, twice grind meat, and stuff it in less time it takes you to normally do it, and you can carry on a conversation while you're doing it. So, thanks for tuning in. Check back next time. Bye.